everyone. Greetings from Berlin. And apparently there are like a lot of record shops here. So my intention was not to come here to shop for records. I just wanted to see friends and enjoy the city tour here. So I'm about to do like a 3-hour city tour walk. I'm really looking forward to that. But it's really exciting. The neighborhood I'm staying in is very studenty. It's very hip. It's got a nice buzz to it. It reminds me very much of like East London with all the graffiti, and it's considered to be beautiful artwork. And I don't you agree? I think it's pretty cool. It reminds me of the floodgates in Birmingham. So it's really fantastic to see what's going on, what young people are doing these days, and what they like. And I'm just gonna go check it out, and I'll keep you updated. But I'd love to share my little adventure with you.
So I'm really looking forward to visiting Berlin's historic landmarks and attractions. I need to get to the Mitte district in the heart of the city for the tour.
Hi everyone, so I've just been walking past this shop and I came across a record shop. I had no idea this place even existed.
But I stumbled across the Warschauer Music Store just around the corner from where I'm staying.
LPs for €3.
I can't resist. I have to have a quick look. It's a big shop with a massive inventory of mainly used records, neatly organized and covering all kinds of music in various formats. I didn't expect to see so many classic hip-hop albums here. They have a room out back featuring lots of rock, folk, and pop music, and vintage audio equipment too. They've got a decent selection of soul, jazz, and blues music. I really do enjoy the music by Austrian singer Falco. It's fun to see his albums in the krautrock section. I ended up buying a few Falco CDs from the shop for €5 each. I don't want to be late for my tour, so I need to get going and catch the underground and overground trains. So the tour starts at Hackescher Market outside the S-Bahn train station, a major transport and nightlife hub in Berlin. So for the German speakers out there, I hope I'm pronouncing some of these places properly, okay? So I do apologize in advance if I'm getting it wrong. So there's plenty of green spaces in the city, and James Simon Park is the most popular spot to chill. While enjoying views of the River Spree and the magnificent Berliner Dom and Museum Island. I learned most of the historic landmarks were damaged or destroyed during World War II, so what's left are places that have been completely rebuilt or renovated, with some landmarks even purposely leaving the war damage alone as a reminder of the war. Unter den Linden. Linden is actually German for lime, and the boulevard is named after the city's lime trees, apparently. So it's considered the heart of Berlin with its wide, mile-long boulevard with major landmarks along the way. BEBELPLATZ is a huge square where up to 25,000 books were burned by Nazi-supporting students on the evening of the 10th of May 1933. This is the book burning memorial, and it shows an empty library underneath. Here's a picture that shows much better what the empty library below looks like. Founded in 1810, Humboldt University is just across the square, where its lobby features a memorial to 40 Ukrainian students who lost their lives during the conflict with Russia. You can also spot the Opera House. The East German era TV tower, and more. Seeing probably the world's biggest football goalpost hovering over the symbolic Brandengburg Gate. I shouldn't be surprised, after all, Germany is the host country for the Euro 2024. Here's what happens in the evenings on the other side of the Brandengburg Gate. TV studios also set up in front of the gate. Here's a snapshot of ex-England footballer Wayne Rooney and ex-England goalkeeper Joe Hart being interviewed. And not far from here lies the site of Hitler's bunker, which is marked by just a sign, and the landmark is intentionally in the middle of an unremarkable parking lot. The Holocaust Memorial is very sobering and powerful to see. And then you have the site where there was an uprising by East German workers in 1953. The crackdown on the uprising led to more than 500 workers killed here. It's a stark contrast to the communist propaganda mural that was put up the year before, depicting happy, content, socialist communists working in harmony. We visit one stretch of the Berlin Wall where there's lots of information and photographs about those affected by the wall and those who tried to escape East Berlin for West Berlin. And just a stone's throw from here is the museum located at what was once the headquarters for the Third Reich's elite Nazi SS unit and later the GDR's secret police. The tour's itinerary bills the museum as the topography of terror stop. So far, the tour has been very somber and sobering, as I had expected. So the last tour stop is Checkpoint Charlie. No surprise, it's crazy busy with visitors, but it's certainly worth having a look to take in the atmosphere and to see how much things have changed in Berlin since 1989, when the wall came tumbling down. Who would have thought Colonel Sanders' KFC would one day be stationed here?